have now decided that we're going to redo our reception desk.
We're going to put up the cobblestone wall just on the back. That panel comes pretty big. It's about 18-19 feet long by 9 feet. So Delma's cut that out the back. You've cut it, haven't you, Delma? So Delma's cut that out the back to the right size, and we'll put that on the back here, and then on the front of the desk here, down the bottom, we're going to just put some of the matching stone as well. So we're just going to clear this out and put the panel up. This will be easier than any of the other ones. So I think that'll look good, and who knows, next week we might be into the lunch area.
Less than that, right?
Measure. Yeah.
The same way I measured the bit that didn't work. Same way.
You did fantastic.
Okay, so there you go. So that is really quick and easy, especially when you have someone like Delma who's cut it perfectly square. He's cut around the trim here as well. So that's not the hard bit. The hard bit is cutting it perfectly square. But once you have that, you can see that we put that up in like 5 minutes. 3 people's handy. Staple gun, ladder, you're done. And because we've colored the back of the staples, we don't need to do any touch up. It's all done. So nice and easy. We can put the furniture back, and then we'll do the front of the desk here as well. And I think it'll look like a brand new office.
Maybe 15 minutes. So.
You use the table saw.
Yeah, with machine.
Sure.
What table saw is square.
So that's the trouble. So to do that, the way to cut that, we got the luxury of a big sliding table saw, so that's cut nice and quick. Took Delma about 15 minutes with the table saw. But if you have to do that with a circular saw and whatnot, you know, you might really spend an hour on that, but at the same time, an hour, 5 minutes to put it up, who cares? So this particular install on the desk here is really fortunate. The thickness of this surround is the exact thickness of the cobblestone. So when we screw that in, nothing's going to stick out more than that. If it did, then we might have to use a rocky panel or something even flatter, the dragonstone panel. But this is fantastic.